Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chair Senator Panfilo Lacson seems set to resign amid the ongoing flood control scandal probe. Despite appeals from colleagues to stay, Lacson is firm. Meanwhile, possible replacements have already started declining. Daniel Manalastas reports.
There are 5 names now being floated by Senate President Tito Soto III who might be a good replacement as chair of Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, which will be vacated by Senate President pro tempore Panfilo Lacson. According to Soto, these are Senators J.V. Ejercito, Raffy Tulfo, Kiko Pangilinan, Pia Cayetano, and Risa Hontiveros. But Ejercito right now seems not keen on accepting the position.
Una-una, papasalamat ako sa tiwala sa konsidyo. Alam ko limitasyon ko, mas marami ang tingin kong mas may kakayanan ang mag-lead ng committee. Sabi ko sana iba na lang kasi mas maraming mas may kakayanan.
Tulfo has the same sentiment with Ejercito, while he said he is flattered that his name is being considered. However, he will decline it for a simple reason: he does not want to lose focus on 3 chairmanships that involves his main advocacies. Pangilinan is still hoping that Lacson will change his mind. Other senators have yet to react on Soto's statement. But if Lacson will be asked,
when I say no, it's no. When I say yes, it's yes.
Sir, may recommendation po kayo? So wala na, sir?
So final answer na, no, na-resign na.
Soto meanwhile believes
Ayaw talaga. Parang mas magiging effective siya as a critic. Kaya baka blessing in disguise.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.